In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to and from China with Wise. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to send money using the Wise web app, and I'll share helpful context so you know exactly what each choice means. Before you start, make sure you can sign into your Wise account in a browser and that you know who you're sending to. If you already keep money in a balance, great. If not, Wise will handle the exchange when you set the amount later. Begin by heading to the Wise app in your browser. Once you're signed in, look for the Send button. This is your starting point for creating a transfer. Clicking Send doesn't move any money yet. It just opens the flow where you'll set up who you're paying and in which currency. Think of it as creating the envelope before you write the amount on it. Next, choose Add Recipient. Here, you'll tell Wise where the money is going. You'll see an option to select the currency. For payments to China, choose the currency associated with China, Chinese yuan, also known as CNY. Selecting the correct currency is important because it determines how the recipient will receive funds and which exchange rate applies. If you're funding the transfer in a different currency, Wise will show the conversion and fees clearly before you finalize anything. When you add the recipient, use the Find on Wise option. This is especially helpful if your recipient already uses Wise. Instead of entering full bank details, you can locate their Wise profile directly, which reduces errors and can make the transfer faster. It's also a safer way to ensure the money goes to the right person, since Wise matches to an existing account. To find them, enter their Wise tag, email, or phone number, the contact details they use with Wise. A Wise tag is a unique handle that identifies a Wise user. If you're unsure which contact they've linked, ask them which one is active on their Wise account. Take a moment to double-check spelling and digits. A small typo can prevent the match. If Wise can't find them at first, confirm the exact Wise tag format or verify that the email or phone is the one they've registered. Once your recipient appears, you'll be ready for Wise to guide you through entering the amount, reviewing the exchange rate and fees, and completing the transfer. And for sending money the other way from China to you, the process is the same on their end. They select your currency, choose Find on Wise, and use your Wise tag, email, or phone to reach your profile.